Hi guys, just a quick outdoor unboxing from my friend James. A friend of mine who I've made through YouTube. It's quite a cool channel. Into airsoft and knives and guns and remote control cars and all kinds. Sound lad. Go sub him. Go check his channel out. I'll put a link in the description. But he kindly offered to make me a paracord wrist bracelet. Get there in the end, and this is it. Have to be careful though, because I've just picked this up from the post office and all the details are still on there, so I don't want to give any of them away. I'm using still unnamed friction folder. I've tidied the G10 up on it. Still got the original orange and carbon backspacer, and I'm not going to change it, but I am going to list this on Get Your Bastion, so keep an eye out for this. It's the first one in this design. I think I'll engrave the inside to say so, but anyway, enough about that. Right, let's see what we've got. Nice, well packaged. Oh yeah. Right, put all next to it. Yeah, good. Put that in my bag. Oh, it's not on macro, so I'm probably not going to focus. Come on, stupid camera. There we go. That must have took some time to do. There's his little maker's mark there in the top right corner. There's lots of my mark. Must have took some time. That's cool. Little brass casings with the primers drilled out. Stainless tubes. I think he's actually got a making of this on his channel through all the different stages. It's quite involved. And a cool little lanyard there, which heat coloured. Stick that on one of my knives. Nice little addition. I can put that in my pocket now because I'll lose that. Right, this is going to be immensely difficult one-handed. Put it on my left hand. Right. Well, it definitely fits. I can't do that one-handed, but there you go. How cool is that? Got a lot of time in there. That's impressive work, man. Honestly, I'm over the moon. Thank you very much. There you go, guys. How cool is that for a paracord bracelet? Thank you, James. That is cool. There you go.